Welcome to the Clickmap Overview. To access the Clickmap tool, just go to the Tools section at the top, go to Email and Engage, click on See More, and then you scroll until you see Clickmap. You're going to click on that. Now, Clickmap is a great tool to show you where people are clicking on your site and even identify problems that people might have. Now, on this dashboard, you can see one Clickmap that's already been installed, and therefore there are statistics available right here at the top. You can filter them between 7 days, 30 days, and all time. You can also see if there is a decline or an increase in the clicks in your site. Over and above, you would be able to edit an existing Clickmap by clicking Edit Site right here. You would be able to show the Clickmap. This is the embed code. You can either choose the direct link or the embedded code, and this one is to delete. Now let's go take a look on how you would be able to add a site to your site. All you really need to do is either on the left hand side click New Website or Add a new website. A box like this would open up where you're going to give your Clickmap a name and you're going to add the URL. Once you've done that, it's going to give you the code, or you can just go and grab the embed code and put it inside the header section of your website, which is the script settings of the site. Now, after a few days, you will be able to start seeing the clicks people have done on the site by clicking on the button right here. So once you've clicked on it, it will open up a page looking like this. Right at the top, you will see Select Page, and you can choose which page you need to look at, the date and the range, and then you will see how many clicks happen on that specific page. And then there's little dots that's all around here, and that's going to tell you exactly where people have been clicking. You can see there's a lot of clicks for share, which means that this website has been shared quite often, and that people are visiting certain areas more often than others. You're going to be able to scroll as well to get a little bit more information. Now that is basically all there is to Clickmap. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in another.